Alright, what's up guys? I'm bringing you this video from Starbucks, and the reason is because people keep asking this question and I just need to get you an answer out for it. So one of the big questions I keep getting asked is Teespring dead? 2018, is it too saturated? Are shirts still selling? Can you still make money on it? Well, the answer is absolutely yes, but you have to make sure you're doing it with the right strategy. So everyone in 2018, 2017, whatever, going into Teespring with the idea that they can make a couple cool looking shirts and sell them, just making 10 different shirts. That's not how it works. If you still want to succeed on Teespring, as the market's getting more saturated, you need to have a lot of lines in the water. So what I mean by that is you need to have 100, 200, 300 different shirt campaigns out there at any given time. Now you're only going to put the niche ones into a storefront and promote that storefront on social media, but you need to have a couple hundred extra ones just independently out there floating around on Teespring's marketplace, letting them doing marketing on those individual campaigns. Not necessarily in your storefront, but just a couple hundred floating around out there. So if you do have a high volume of shirts, you will still succeed on Teespring in 2018.